Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see some before and afters and to learn a little bit more about who we are and our holistic beliefs in skincare. If you're just tuning in, I hope you will subscribe, I hope you will like this channel, and I hope you will comment with love below. I am here to teach you how to embrace your beauty as you age, how to change your skin naturally, and how to feel confident about yourself. If you're new to my channel, I will be 55 next month. I have no foundation or concealer on, and I have done nothing invasive to my skin. I did a video on JLo the other day, and I found that we got such a huge response. And then when I looked at other JLo videos or YouTubers talking about her, I was so shocked and surprised at how many people could not believe that at 50 she could be beautiful without doing a facelift or having injections or doing Botox. I get accused of that all the time. And I found it to be very sad that as a society, we think that the only way a woman can be beautiful is if she injects her face, if she has blown out lips, blown out cheeks, no lines, no 11s, no wrinkles, no expression. You look at George Clooney and he's beautiful and he's handsome. Or Kevin Costner, when a man ages, they allow themselves to age and we think they look debonair or handsome. But if a woman allows herself to age, she somehow is not beautiful any longer. We've got to stop as a society chasing youth and just allow ourselves to age with grace and beauty. If you're 20, let me show you how to be beautiful and age with grace and beauty. If you're 50, 60, or 70, let me help you accept the beauty of who you are. Do we really need to put a pound of makeup on and change what we look like to be beautiful? Can we not allow our gray hair sparkle to shine? And if you don't want to, that's okay. But can't we allow it and feel beautiful in ourselves? I think a beautiful man and woman is someone who has expression and has age and who is embracing it. I looked at a few YouTube videos and I just thought, oh, I'll look back 5 and 10 years and kind of see where they started. And I was so surprised how some of them don't even look like the same person anymore. And I thought, what kind of message are we sending to young people, to society about aging? It reminded me of a Twilight Zone that I once watched, and it was called Eye of the Beholder. And essentially this society has changed and altered their faces, and they really look quite grotesque. And they have this woman wrapped in bandages, and they're hoping the surgery went well and that she is beautiful and not grotesque. And you're thinking, oh my gosh, how bad does she look? And as they unwrap her, she looks normal and she is beautiful. But they all gasp because she is not beautiful to them. She is ugly. They are the grotesque ones, but they are the ones who are beautiful. We have got to stop injecting our faces, blowing our lips up, and thinking that is normal. Now, if you want to change your nose, but stop there. If you want to get another thing altered, maybe your breasts because you had children and they stretched out, when does it stop is my question to you. I, as a master esthetician of over 30 years, have seen hundreds of thousands of people, and I can tell you every single time, 100% of the time, when someone comes to me and they've altered their face, they are typically not very happy with the result and they think they've got to do more. They don't know when to stop. I find that when you age, you get this inner confidence that you never thought you had. I don't know if I already said that, but it is amazing to me how it comes about. And I hope that I can teach you how to change the story, how to age with beauty. I call it wabi-sabi. It is the Japanese word for embracing the imperfections in things, in life, and in yourself. It is normal to age, and it is a gift to age that many people do not get. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it resonated with you, and I hope that you will subscribe and stick around and learn more. And I hope that you will all stay beautiful naturally.